Bharat brand. 1. Nation 1 Fertilizer. 1. Nation 1 fertilizer scheme is going to be implemented in the country from the 2nd of October 2022. Under this scheme all types of fertilizers will be sold in India under the same brand name, Bharat. After the implementation of this scheme, Bharat Urea, Bharat DAP, Bharat MOP and Bharat NPK will be available in the market, under single brand names like Urea, DAP, MOP and NPK etc. Important provisions of ANF. The plan states that private and public sector companies will have to name their products as Bharat and the bags will also have the logo of Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Januvarak Pariyojana, PMBJP. This new brand name and logo, along with the subsidy title, will occupy 2/3 of the printable area on the bag, while 1/3 will be used for fertilizer company's details, its emblem as well, other information as per regulations. The objective of this scheme is to control black advertising by fertilizer companies and bring transparency in the system. Fertilizer manufacturing companies are not allowed to buy bags of old design from the 15th of September 2022, and they have to eliminate all bags of old design by the 12th of December 2022. Benefits of this scheme. According to the government, a single brand name will help reduce freight charges by preventing criss-cross movement of fertilizers. It has been seen many times that a fertilizer company based in Uttar Pradesh is selling its product in Maharashtra, due to which the demand of these brands increases without any reason in that area, and when there is no supply then people do not like to take a different brand of fertilizer even if they are similar. This created brand-wise demand for fertilizers in specific areas, leading to shortage of fertilizers while local manufacturers suffered. So one of the reasons behind the idea of ONOF is to stop these things. As we all know that the government gives huge subsidy on fertilizer products which is more than the maximum retail price, so the subsidy scheme on sacks will also be mentioned under this scheme. Fertilizer companies' approach.